Alright guys, ps3 here with part 2. Alright, so what you're going to do is put your fan back in. And you could plug it back in, but I don't do that. You could, but yeah. Alright, so when you guys get this all together, you're going to see a huge difference when you plug it in, when you turn it on, because if you haven't turned your, if you haven't cleaned your ps3 out, probably a year, 2 or 3, if you got lucky that it lasted for 3, yeah, it'll start making it'll make loud noises, your fan will come on faster, and your fan will come on faster, and your ps3 will kind of shake, and then it's telling you I have too much dust. So, yeah. Alright, so I just plugged the fan back in, and now I'm going to flip it back over, like this, where it's supposed to be. Alright, and then move the screws out of my way. Move this real quick. Now I'm going to get where it sits on. There. And now I'm going to put the board back in where she wants to be. Make sure you be very careful when you put it in. Alright. Seems pretty good. Alright. Now what you're going to do is just put the screws in. And some of these video guys that you watch, they probably don't show you how to put it back together. So, yeah. Alright, got the screws in. So now I'm just going to screw it in. No, wait. Damn. Alright, guys. Hold on, my bad. Take out all the screws. You're going to forgot to put this back in. Well, let me try it like this. Alright, no, it won't work. Alright, so, gotta take her back out. Alright, just hold it like that. And this, you're gonna plug it in. See if you guys can see it. Okay. Plug it back in. And if you guys have trouble, which I don't think you should have any trouble, but if you do, just keep messing with it. That's all I can say. Because I never had any problems with this, so I don't think you should have problems. Alright. Put it in carefully. Alright, now, let's put the screws in. Alright. Looks like that does not want to screw. That's weird. Oh, put the small one right there. Okay. Now, you're just going to screw it in. Pretty simple. Okay, it's screwing in. Feels like it's not screwing in. So it probably did something wrong. Oh, alright, now it's locked in. Okay, now I'm going to screw them in. There we go. Sorry guys that it took so long. It's just messing up. Okay. And if your PS3 had the yellow light of death before, I would recommend it being by the window, so it'll last longer. Because if you have it, where it can't breathe, your PS3 will just quit again. So that's why I have mine by the window. All right, just making sure I got them all in. What I do? All right, now your power start. Oh wait, no, don't do that yet. You see this little piece right there? You're gonna screw the one that has a washer. Screw that. Sorry guys, if you can't see. I'm using my phone for the camera because I don't have one, so it's kind of gay. But it's better than nothing. Alright, so let me put this in. Alright, plug in. Get the screws. So that's one. And if you guys want to add me on PSN, you could. I'll put my name in the description, and you could add me from there. Just letting you guys know if you just want to add me. And I still play Modern Warfare 2. I don't really like Modern Warfare 3 that much, because, like, I'm too far at Modern Warfare 2, and I don't want to quit. I just don't want to start over. I have Battlefield 3 too. But that game, I don't really like that either. The sniping sucks. It's horrible. To me, it is. For you guys, it might be different, but to me, it sucks. Alright, so I'm just having a little trouble putting in this one little tiny screw. I had trouble putting it in when I didn't do the video. And now now I have to get what I didn't want to get to do. But it looks like I have to. So I hope it doesn't fall in, because if it does fall in, I'm going to have to redo everything again. But I'll just put that on part 3. It looks like I can't find it now. Alright, well, let's see if I can just do it. Don't fall. Don't fall. It's like I'm fishing for a damn fish. Okay, I got it. No, I don't. Alright, I got it. Oh, sorry guys. My bad. Like I said, I have a camera phone, so it's gonna fall. I gotta set it up again. Alright. Now I'm just gonna put the screw in. Oh my god. Fine, I'll just hold it. See, I'm going to be putting it in, sorry guys, right there. Sorry guys, you can't see it because it's kind of dark right there. Okay. So now I'm going to get my screw, just screw it in. Alright, so that's done. So now I'm going to get the board that has the internet. Oh, let me plug this in. Okay, there. Now I'm going to like that. Get the internet. Put it right there. Okay. And yeah, now I'm going to go to part 3, so be right back, guys.